Good afternoon, Cotswold Motors viewers, and welcome to this walk round video of a 61 plate Cayenne V6 Diesel. This is a lovely car, to be honest. I'm going to start going around this one and start pointing some bits and pieces out. So this car is extremely clean, as you can look down the sides. There are a couple of minor little stone chips marks. As you expect, it's done 110,000 miles, but beautiful condition. Sorry, the light's a bit changeable today, so I'm trying to catch this as best I can. Front end has a few stone marks in the age of mileage, but nothing spectacular, nothing you would even really notice. It's fitted with 21-inch aftermarket wheels, so these weren't the 21-inch from the factory when they would have got the extended wheel arches. These are 21-inch that have been fitted afterwards. They carry excellent Pirelli tyres, so quality tyres all the way around. If anyone wants this on original spec, then I can supply it instead for the same price on a set of 20-inch Cayenne Sport Design wheels, which was what it came from the factory with, in black. This has the black exterior pack, so you'll see the black lower trims, black window surrounds, etc. And again, this side is extremely clean. You can see the shine on the car, to be honest. So again, looking at the wheels, go a bit closer I should say. Front wheel has signs of curbing. This is really the worst one. They are polished rims. This one has a little bit of marking on. You'll see it closer on the photos. But they're the only two that, if you were going to do anything, you would probably refurbish. Come around the back, excellent condition. Couple of marks on the bumper, very small marks as you would expect. This is a SUV, nothing really to worry about there either. Bodywork really good. And again, coming down the driver's side, just lovely car. Say tyres all excellent all the way around. Wheel, little bit of marks on there. Front wheel down here, really good. So very presentable model. I wouldn't refurbish the wheels at the moment, to be honest, although somebody may choose to do them. Moving to the inside, this car is fitted with the very expensive adaptive sport seats, which means you get adaptive side and seat bolsters, extendable seat base, memory seat settings, electric windows all round as usual. It has the air suspension with PASM, and it has the beautiful opening panoramic sunroof. PTM is fitted as standard. And you'll see on the dashboard there it's done just over 110,000 miles. It drives beautifully, I have to be honest. Seats are in fantastic condition, you'll see that from the photos. Everything works exactly as it should. No fault code shown on the car. The rear seats again in really good condition. We've not done the final clean on this, so you'll see a couple of bit of marks on there. There's no rips, no tears, no nothing. I've done a few miles in this one myself, and it just drives fantastically well. Price very attractively given the specification. So if you're interested in this one, you really need to come and see it and drive it, as this one's going to probably go very quickly. But finished in a lovely shade called Meteor Grey. Unusual shade for the Cayenne, but I think with the black exterior pack this just looks absolutely fantastic. If you'd like to come and see the car, give me a call on 07522 162237. That's 07522 162237. Full details are on the website www.cotswoldmotors.com, where you'll see the detailed photos. And yeah, part exchange available at trade price. It will come with a 6-month warranty. What's more to like? Come and have a drive and see what you think. Thanks for watching.